So I studied in Chennai, even though I'm from Bangalore, born, brought up यही का हूँ. First 6 months, 8 months, I felt the same thing, how you are feeling it now.
Okay.
And I stayed in Hyderabad for 1 year. It's the same with any place or anywhere you go.
Yeah, I think it would take some time to get
Yes.
adjusted.
And Bangalore, मतलब people are good. Maybe इधर floating population ज़्यादा है. मतलब people come and go. So you might have a rough time or tough time to know who are actually from Bangalore
Yeah.
and who belong to Bangalore or Bangalore का people कैसा है. It might take some time for you, but you can just hold up for some more time.
Yeah,
It's a
I'm
good
here
city.
only.
It's
There's
not.
no option anywhere.
Yeah. No, I'm just giving you kind of some hope. Trying to give you some positive vibes. एक पागल fire में कुछ decision लिया कि I don't want to work anymore back in 2021 or just want to do like what keeps me happy. Really having a tough time now, but it's cool. I'm happy. That's fine. So Rapido been doing it from from last 2.5 years.
Okay.
And last week मेरे को idea आया था कि why not I'll record, क्योंकि जब भी जो भी आता है उनसे बात करता हूँ in a ratio of 10 almost 7 to 8 people conversation and the vibe will be good. So I thought why not I'll record it and like try to do a podcast. So this will like जो भी city को new आ रहा है कि like anyone who are already in the city, they can look at it and like they might feel something, right? So anyhow, आपको like what makes you happy in your life?
So like 2-3 things. Like I really like cooking.
Super.
Then I really like to dance. So I recently
Okay.
joined salsa
Super.
classes.
Okay.
Then other than that, drawing, like just drawing anything, sketching.
Super. So what do you think life में सबसे important चीज़ क्या होता है? Like anything let it be.
I feel to be like happy. Like I feel that people don't, and to be grateful for the things that you have. Like people take that a lot for granted. So like people have jobs, but we are also like I am also one of them. But we are always cribbing about it. But like I think once I moved to Bangalore and started like in Gurgaon, I was living with the parents. So I was not very like involved in a lot of things. Now I have come here, I'm living independently, learning a lot of new things,
Super.
figuring out things that okay, we have to pay rent every month, buy groceries, plan for it and all that. So just like kind of I got got this feeling that I was taking what my parents were doing for granted, and now I'm pretty grateful for that. Okay, they were cooking for me 3 times. They were just taking care of me, doing everything I was asking and all that. So yeah, that's it.
No, it's a really good observation, like self-observation. But जो भी है, you should be happy with the things
Yeah, like
you have.
more importantly, you should be grateful for those things. Like I think people crib a lot about their life and all, and try find ways to escape from it. But just like even having a job in this market is like something that you should really be grateful for.
Yeah. Super. अभी आपको job है and you're thinking that way, no? It's really nice. I appreciate it. क्योंकि I have my own friends who think that जो भी job है, one guy says I want to get a promotion, the other guy says थोड़ा appraisal तो आना चाहिए. What do you like the most in Bangalore?
Okay, so the most is so like I think the freedom to go anywhere, anytime. So like whenever living with the parents, that was an issue, and also because Gurgaon has a lot of safety issues. So going out on nights was not always a. I feel that there is a lot of. I feel much more safe here.
Yeah.
I can go anytime. Like even if I'm wandering on roads at 1 at night, I feel safe. I don't feel very like threatened by anything.
Super.
So yeah, so that is something I like it.
I'm happy for you that you're feeling that way. It's nice. So what is one thing if you change in Bangalore, what you would change?
Basically the transportation, like traffic and all. One thing that I think there could be a better way of managing that. Like with the autos, all like I really struggle
Yeah.
to find an auto or that is one of the struggles that I think I face every day.
मैं समझ सकता हूँ.
Good idea, like it's very difficult to push yourself to something that you like.
Yeah. यहाँ पे?
Yeah.
Okay. जी anyhow, thank you that आपने बात किया था.
Nice meeting.
Cool. Same.